Okay, my name is Riyas and I am from Kerala. So I have pursued automobile engineering from Kerala under KT University. So I'm very passionate about cars. So I opted automobile engineering because of that. So after automobile engineering, that I know that it's not that much deep of automobile studies. So usually look for a master's on the sector of automobile. So I just searched all over India about the institutes and all, and finally I see a ad of iACE, and which is in Gujarat. So they are arranging like a PG program of 1 year. So I am very interested about that, and the campus and all the facilities are very good. They are conducting a scholarship program, so I attended the program, and I got scholarship, so that I just make sure that I want to study that 1 year program here. And after that, we continued, and when I'm at the course, I can understand like all the professors and all stars on the here are very experienced person on industry. When we are studying on the engineering college and all, we don't get a good idea about what the industry is. And basically, I'm from south side, so don't have an option for watching the industrial, like what is going on in the industry and all. So I just when I come here, I get a India visit on industrial visit, and also I get know more about the industries, and our professors also help us about what the industry is, what is going on there, what all are the standards they're keeping. So because of that, after this course I attended the interview, and all the good knowledge about the industries I just experience, I can answer the interview questions easily. Because of that, I got the job on Raicam Automotives company. It was my passion to get into any automotive related company. So now I am currently working at the Raicam Automotives, and I am feeling very good. It's a good decision for taking iACE as my after B.Tech. I studied about more deeply about automobiles and manufacturing sectors. So it's all I am feeling good, and thanks for iACE.